Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This video is presented by Allied School Arangi Comprehensive Campus. Today we are going to start our new topic, farm animal and wild animal. Farm animal and wild animal. In this video we will learn about the difference between farm animal and wild animal, and we will see the picture along with the names. Wild animals are those animals who live in jungle or forest. They hunt for their own food for their survival. Let's see some examples of wild animals. Lion, tiger, elephant, giraffe, zebra, monkey. Now we'll see about farm animals. Some animals are raised in on agriculture setting for commodities such as meat, egg, milk, fur, leather and wool. Some of them help us to carry things. Also, such animals are known as farm animals. Now let us know them with the names and picture. Cow. We get milk from cow. Horse. A horse is used for riding. Sheep. We get wool from sheep. Goat. We get milk from goat. I hope you learned with my lecture. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.